Welcome guys to our next video. Hey kiddos, numbers 61 to 70 are enjoying themselves with the kids in the park. Come, let us join them and enjoy too. Hey, look at the kids enjoying themselves, but I cannot find the numbers. Can you see them? Do you see any number here? Oh yes, I can see, but we have already learned these numbers. We are looking for 61 to 70. Hey, do you know where numbers 61 to 70 are? Yes, we know. They're hiding inside the balloon. Pop the balloons to find your numbers. Come on, let us blast the balloons with a safety pin and see what is in it. 61 62 63 64 65. Oh, see, there are a few more kids playing with the balloons. Come, let us pop the balloons too. 66 67 68 69 et pour finir 70. Now we'll do it together. 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.